Have you known of Frankenstein? Congratulations! It's about a monster that has electric things and with their metals in their necks, and they have stitches on their bodies, and they turn out to be like this.
Sounds pretty scary. Don't know why Lammis do this.
Hey, are you talking about Frankenstein? Yes, I'm talking to Boxxo about Frankenstein. How do you know this is a Frankenstein? Frankensteins are really pretty a big thing, big monster that has to walk like this. Whoa, that's like no good either. Why not? Because Frankensteins only walk when they're alive. Oh right. I see. So that's why you're just talking to Boxo for. Yep.